No digo nada. No digo nada. No digo nada. This phrase is used when you don't want any trouble. You don't want any drama. And it's similar to saying, leave me out of it. Similar. It's not a translation of leave me out of it, but it's a version of leave me out of it in Spanish. No digo. You can also add yo no digo nada. Yo no digo nada. Okay? So, right. Let me just fix that really quickly. Yo no. 2 words. Yo no. Yo no digo nada. Yo no digo nada. Leave me out of it. I have no opinion. So this is a great phrase to learn. You can say yo no digo nada or no digo nada. Either version. Either way works. For example, Miguel, ¿quién es más exitosa? ¿Yo o María? Miguel, ¿quién es más exitosa? ¿Yo o María? That's a question. And Miguel probably will say, or would say, yo no digo nada. Yo, I have no opinion. I have no opinion about that. So let's see the meaning. Miguel, who is more successful, me or Maria? Leave me out of it. Leave me out of it. Yes, Miguel, I mean, I get it. I get it. Difficult, awkward situations. Miguel, let's break this down. I mean, I'm not talking to Miguel, but I was going to start explaining, but then I just said Miguel. I don't know why. Okay, Miguel means Miguel. ¿Quién es? That's a good question when you want to say who is. Okay, Miguel. Who is? By the way, I'm missing a comma here. ¿Quién es? Who is? Más. I'm saying más too many times. More. Exitosa, successful. Exitosa is feminine, exitoso is masculine, and that means successful. Me, well, yo, me, o, or, Maria means Maria. And then we have the phrase yo no digo nada or no digo nada. Leave me out of it. Yeah, so if you have any like awkward situation, this is a good phrase to use. Believe me. Believe me. Just as in English, leave me out of it is a great phrase. Yo no digo nada is a great phrase as well. Okay, excellent. Oh, by the way, digo, that's the verb decir. If you were wondering where is the verb decir, digo. Okay, yo digo. Yo no digo is it's negative and it means I'm not saying anything. That's the literal translation of this phrase. I'm not saying anything. Yo no digo nada. Nada means anything or nothing. Yo, I, no, I'm not. Yo no, I'm not. Digo, saying in this situation. Yo no digo, I'm not saying. Okay, so very important.